There is a notion and a fear floating around. We've heard it discussed in different settings in at conferences in large groups that suggests if one of our 50% units, in other words, if we're right at 60%, if it goes out of compliance, that all of a sudden that throws everything, the remaining that are in compliance, it makes their average exceed 60%, and therefore this is what I would call the doomsday cliff, you know, in red letters, that all of a sudden one unit can throw, cue the dust cloud again, one unit can throw the other 90 out the door, that you can't claim any credits on it. We would generally like to dismiss that notion. Let's move that off the table, because in reality, look at this. We've got 9 units that are in compliance, 90% of all of our the units in this project. And if we really look at this, there's a lot of different ways of looking at this, but we clearly have 40% of our units in lots of different combinations here. So I feel pretty confident in saying in this example, the minimum set aside is satisfied. We've got lots and lots of units that are in compliance. It's that average that I think people are feeling uncomfortable with. There are really two camps when it comes to the minimum set aside. And this is, doomsdayers are kind of not in this conversation. I'm doing my best to kind of dismiss that doomsday thought. But that leaves us with code literalists and then minimum set-aside loyalists. And it's kind of an interesting phraseology that